Here are 4 reasons why your authorized user account may not be increasing your credit score the way you think it should, and that's even if the account has perfect payment history. Hello, and my name is Calvin Russell. I am a nationwide credit strategist, and I help people increase their credit scores, lower their car payments, and qualify for homeownership nationwide. Today, we're going to be talking about why your authorized user account may not be working the way you think it should. Being added as an authorized user does not guarantee that the account will appear on all 3 credit reports. A lot of people don't know that. The account may report to Experian, but not Equifax and TransUnion. Some credit card companies have different reporting requirements for authorized users specifically. So you need to check all 3 credit bureaus before assuming that the account is going to be helping your entire credit profile. This is one of the reasons why we created our free credit guide called What's Really Holding Your Credit Score Back. This is going to help you understand what may be hurting your credit profile right now before you start making your next move. Scan the QR code right here at the top of the screen, or you can click the link in the description below to download it today. A high limit credit card is not going to help you as much as you think it will, especially if that limit or most of it is already being used. The balance on the account is also added to your credit report, so high utilization can reduce or completely cancel out the benefit of having the account's payments history. Now, the card should ideally report a low balance compared to its limit. That's the whole purpose of being added as an authorized user. If someone adds you to a credit card and it has a $10,000 limit, but then it has a $9,000 balance, that account is reporting 90% utilization. The account, it may already have perfect payment history. They've been paying on time. They may be even on auto pay, but that can still hurt your credit score. A large credit limit is not going to be automatically helpful when the balance is also high. The quality of the authorized user account matters more than simply being added as an authorized user. So a newer account may not improve your average age of credit. Late payments can become part of your credit profile as well too if the account reports to those credit bureaus. The account should have established history, low utilization, and no negative payments, at least within the last 4 to 5 years. This is where having the right strategy matters. An authorized user account may help part of your credit profile, but it cannot fix every issue that's holding your credit score back. Now, if you want to learn how the 850 Club membership can create a custom game plan for you and send unlimited disputes every single month, text the word credit to 708-346-5613 today. Now, also know this. Authorized user accounts may not carry the same weight under newer credit score models than they did with some older models like we're used to. Scoring systems have become better at separating legitimate authorized user relationships from accounts added mainly just to boost a credit score. Yeah, we know the jig is up, okay? The number of points that you receive can depend on the scoring model being used. A score increase under one model does not guarantee the same increase under another model or with a particular lender. You could see an authorized user account on all 3 credit bureaus and still see different results. One credit monitoring app may show a noticeable increase. A mortgage or auto lender may use a different scoring model and then show a smaller increase, if any increase at all. This is why you must build your own credit profile instead of depending completely on someone else's account. Now, don't get me wrong, it's nothing with being an authorized user, but we need to set our expectations. An authorized user account can help, but it should be treated as one tool, not your entire credit strategy. You need to confirm that the account reports to all 3 bureaus first. Then review its age, its payment history, its credit limit, and reported balance. You then need to focus on building primary accounts in your own name, so that way your progress does not depend on another person. Don't forget to download the free credit guide, What's Really Holding Your Credit Back. You can scan the QR code right here at the top of the screen as well. And don't forget, if you want to learn more about how the 850 Club membership can create a custom game plan for you and send unlimited disputes, text the word credit to 708-346-5613 today. And I'll see you on the next video.